Hi guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to talk a little bit more about the order system built into the responsive framework. Firstly, if I log into the admin area, I can show you where this is. Under the theme options we have a section dedicated to order manager. Now on the initial overview page you can preview your new listings or your new products and the orders you may currently have, and you can tick these on and off to update the graph. Any of your recent orders will be displayed here, and obviously you can use the quick search options to find them if you have any if you have multiple orders within the order table. We have payment gateways, which is obviously the way you're going to be accepting payments for either products or listings on your website. And we have a coupon section which allows you to set up custom coupons which can be distributed throughout the internet and for users to use to get a discount when using your website. So if we have a quick look at the system in general, as a payment gateway, if I go to the website, if I created a quick test listing, $10 special here on the directory theme, okay, at this period where the user can then make the payment, any of the payment gateways that you set up would then be displayed here. Now as you can see it's blank, which basically means I haven't set up any payment gateways. So we go back into the admin area, and under the payment gateways we can see we have PayPal, which is the standard one. So I click view and hide settings to open and close the settings box, and I simply turn on the gateway here. Now I can enter my PayPal email address or any other settings that are available here. I can use a sandbox option which allows me to test the gateway before obviously I go live. Now with the sandbox option, the currency code is set to US dollar, and obviously the return value will be different. So for example, if you return back to your website, it may still say that obviously the payment hasn't been accepted, but it will still show up in your overview. And that's basically because it's a sandbox, it's a test gateway, and the gateway just is there to test to make sure that the transaction is smooth and goes through. So once you've enabled the gateway, we simply click on Save Changes and go back to our website again, give it a quick refresh. Click on Make Payment, and now as you can see the PayPal button is there for the user to pay. Now a quick note again with the PayPal setup is the currency code. You need to ensure that you enter the correct currency code that you're going to be using. So if we're going to be accepting US dollars, it will be USD. If you're going to be accepting Great British Pounds, it will be Great British Pounds, GBP. Don't enter any random value, otherwise obviously the currency won't be displayed. And if you enter a value that's incorrect, many times PayPal will revert back to the default value, which is US dollar. So ensure that you've set the correct currency code for PayPal. Now if you're not using PayPal, you've decided that you want to use a different gateway, we have a number of different gateways available. Now if we click on the extra plugins and click on payment gateways, this is where you'll find all of the additional payment gateways that we have available within the PremiumPress framework. And so as you can see, we've got a number of different ones available here. If I just simply click on any one of them, if I go for one that's this one here for example, click on the name, click on install. Okay, activate the new plugin. Okay, if I go back to my my order manager payment gateways list, you can see now the new payment gateway is there and available. And you can, as the same with PayPal, you go ahead and turn it on, and then you enter your details as obviously as you're required. So if I go ahead and just put them back in, click on Save Changes, again refresh my listing page where I'm about to pay, click on Make Payment. As you can see now the user can select the payment gateway that they wish to use. Obviously the two that you've enabled are the ones that are displayed. So that's the way you can add and edit any of the current payment gateways installed. If you wish to have a payment gateway added that isn't currently available in our framework, then obviously request that in the forum, and we can go ahead and try and create one for you. The overview page again, if I go ahead and make the order, say we go admin test callback, which is just test the callback page. So you can see obviously the payment is complete, thank you for your order. If I view the admin overview page now, if I scroll down, you can see the new order has been added. And as you can see in my graph, it's been updated as well. So we've got 10 listings in total, and we've had a new order today. So that's the way that the order process will work. You can then go ahead and edit the order, obviously view any information that's there, and obviously when the system is live, these will be filled in with the information taken from the payment. And obviously if I didn't want the order, I can go ahead and delete it, and this new listing just indicates the type of order that it is. So obviously the user has created a new listing, and that's what's happened there. The status of the order is paid, price is 10. If I click on the username, I can view the user's information here. So that's just a general overview of the order manager in the responsive framework.